Hello student of class 11, this is the third video of GP. If ABC are in GP and XY with the arithmetic mean between A and B and C respectively, that means it is given A, B, C are in GP. And XY be the arithmetic mean of AB. That means AXB are in AP and BYC, Y is the arithmetic mean of BC, that means BYC are in AP. We have to prove first one is A by X plus C by Y equal to 2 and second one is 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 2 by B. If ABC are in AP, ABC are in AP, so I can write B by A, this equal to C by B equal to K. That means B equal to AK and C equal to BK, this equal to AK square. And XY be the arithmetic mean, that means A plus B by 2 is equal to X. So I can write X equal to A plus BK equal to AK by 2, this equal to A into 1 plus K by 2. Okay. And next one is y equal to b plus c by 2. This equal to b means ak plus ak square by 2. This equal to ak 1 plus k by 2. So a by x plus c by y is equal to a by 2 1 plus k plus ak square by ak by 2 1 plus k. A cancel out, K cancel out. So 2 by 1 plus K plus 2K by 1 plus K. So 2, 1 plus K by 1 plus K. So this equal to 2. First one is coming. And for the second one, I will write 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by a 1 plus k by 2 plus 1 by ak 1 plus k by 2. This equal to 2 by a into 1 plus k plus 2 by ak into 1 plus k. A 1 plus k is common from here 2 also. So I will get 1 plus k. So this cancel out. This equal to 1 by 2 1 plus k. So I will get 1 by k 1 plus k 1 plus 1 by k. This equal to 2 1 plus k 1 plus k by k. So this cancel out 2 by ak. This equal to 2 by ak. This equal to 2 by b. This will be the answer. Okay. if three rational numbers x, y, z are in GP, sum of the numbers is 65 and product of the numbers, product of the first and the third number is 2 to 5. Let three numbers be x equal to a by r, y equal to a and z equal to a r. So according to the question, a by r into a r is equal to 2 to 5, that means a square equal to 22 to 5 and a equal to plus minus. And the sum, this plus this is equal to 65. So if I take a common from here, I will write this equal to 65 r into 1 plus r square is equal to 65 r by 50, 30. So 3r plus 3, this is equal to 13r. So I will write 3r square minus 10r plus 3, this is equal to 0. So I can write 3r minus 1 and r minus 3 equal to 0. So r equal to 1/3 and 3. Okay. After that means I will get r equal to 1/3 and r equal to 3. If r equal to 1/3 and a equal to 15, so a by r equal to 15 by 1/3, this is equal to 45, a equal to 15 and a r equal to 15 into 1/3, this is equal to 5. When r equal to 3 and a equal to 15, then a by r equal to 15 by 3, 5, a equal to 15 and a r equal to 15 into 3, this is 45. So numbers are 45, 5, 15 and if I take r equal to minus 15, so I will get r equal to irrational number. So this is impossible. So r equal to 1/3 and 3. It will be the answer. And this is third one. Third one is, if the nth term of the series is, that means Tn is equal to 2, 3 to the power n minus 1 plus 1, find the sum of rth term. That means if T1 equal to 0 plus 1, T2 equal to 2, 3 to the power 1 plus 1. Up to this 3 r equal to 2 into 3 to the power r plus 1. So T1 plus T2 plus up to Tr is equal to 2. 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus up to 3 to the power r plus n. This is GP series. First term is this. R is 3 to the power r minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus n. This is 2, 2 cancel out, this is 1. So answer is 3 to the power n minus 1 plus n. Sorry, this is r. This is r. Here up to I will have up to rth term. So 3 to the power, this is 3 to the power r. This is r. Here 3 to the power r. 3 to the power r minus 1 plus r. I am ending here.